You're welcome to my channel. Here are 10 great websites that can actually pay you very good money if you are the type that can put down great stories. You are good to go. If you can write fictional stories and poems and essays, if you love writing, then please stick to the end of this video because I have great website that will put money in your pocket. Now, as we move from 1 to 10, we'll be going deeper and better. So I will be showing the best website between number 6 to 10. So please stick to the end of this video and you'll not regret it. Having said that, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. Drop a comment on which of the website impressed you. Drop a comment and encourage others. Also, introduce this channel to your friends. Now, before I share with you the 10 websites, you must take note of this. Number 1, you need to, in every site or website, you need to sign up with them and follow their guidelines. 2, these 10 websites, they don't accept already uploaded stories. That means stories that you copy from other websites. They have a way of reviewing your story. So they pay you for the original story that came from your brain or from someone you heard and you write it in your own way. So they don't pay for repeated stories. They don't pay for stories that you just copy from other websites and paste. So you should put that in mind. 3, every website has their own requirement and the time they accept stories. So you must, when I give you the website, all you need to do is log into that website, read their requirements, know what they want, the standard of story, how many words they want, or the list of words, and you compose your story based on their requirement. That way you're going to earn good cash. Number 1 is Amazon Kindle. This is one website that you can actually sell your short stories or poems. So all you need to do is to sign up with Amazon Kindle and you're good to go. Follow the requirements and upload your stories. They pay you when you do that and you do it the right way. Number 2 website is Agni. This website accepts writers or authors, applicants from September to May 31st. So for you to make money, you need to, send in your story like this period. This is the right time for you to apply for it, and then they will accept you. They will know it's a way like getting you employed. It just similar way like that, and you'll be uploading your stories, and then they pay you at least $10 per story. So you need to stick to the end of this video so that you get the best. From the 10 you can now make your choice. You visit the 10 websites, go through the requirements. That way you're going to make the best choice suitable for the kind of stories that you can write. Number 3 is Scav Magazine. They pay you from between $50 to $150. So it's also a very good magazine, a very good website that you can also write, and they publish those your stories in their own magazine and sell. So you are good to go. If you like it, go to the website, review it, and you get your stories uploaded. 4 is a surprising one, the social media. Now you might be asking, how will I sell my stories on social media? Like social media like Facebook, your Instagram page, and all that social media, you can actually use it to make money, because if you constantly upload good stories, definitely you have a large number of followers. You have very great followers. Now when you have that kind of number, you can sell products on your page and make money. You can copy as an affiliate market and upload link, advertise product and sell. People can actually pay you to advertise their product, their business on your page. So it's a strategic way to grow your followers on Instagram and Facebook, whichever social media platform that you are interested in. When you have that large followers, then you can actually make money from it. Number 5 is Clubhouse, a website called Clubhouse. Now this website, they focus on children's stories that will impress children, stories that will inspire children, stories that will educate children. And if you're the type that is in love with children, you like staying with children, playing with children, writing things concerning children, then this website is the best for you. Number 7 is Income Diary. This is a website that accepts marketing topics, business topics, not just anyhow fictional stories. They accept business topics or marketing topics, and they pay you. As well. Also, they can pay you if you upload your previous stories that you might have published somewhere, and you want to upload it to them. If they will go through it, review it, and then pay you. So this is one website that if you're a marketer, if you're an entrepreneur, you can actually write topics here, upload, and they pay you. This website pays not less than $200. That is from $200 to $500. They pay cash, and you have your cool cash. So Income Diary is one of the beautiful websites that you can actually step in and make good money. Now you should know that none of these websites, I'm not doing any promo. None of this website is paying me anything. I just compile this for your own good, for my own good, so that we all can make money online. We all can make money in one way or the other. In this channel, we always upload videos on entrepreneurs, how you can make money. Number 8 website is Nutri Inspector. This website is focused on diet and nutrition. So if you are the type, if you're a food scientist, if you're a nutritionist, if you are an expert in dietary, then you should. This website is really good for you, and they pay very well. I mean, they pay very, very good. So if you are this type, if you are the type that can write on food topics, then log into Nutri Inspector and make good money. Nutri Inspector pays you between $120 to $180 per story. So it is very good. Now, most of us can actually sit down and write a story every day. So if you can tax yourself, you can stress yourself that way and upload every day, you get your cash every day, $120, between $120 to $180. It's encouraging. If you write it a month, we're talking about at least $3,000, and you're good to go. You'll be sustained with it. Number 9 website is VQR. This website, they accept a range of writings from essay to poetry, personal write-up, personal stories, poetry, all kind of poems that you want, fictional stories. So many write-ups, so long as it's original. If your writing is original and it's inspiring, is educating, they accept and pay you at least from between $150 to $1,000. This website actually pays 25 cents per word. You can imagine that, 25 cents per word. This is one of the beautiful websites that you can log in, go through their requirements, and you make good money from it. So VQR is a beautiful website to make money from. Number 10 website is Lisbeth. This is one website that is focused on feminist stories. So if you're a feminist, or if you're the type that you can write on feminism and a lot about women, then you can actually show your passion. You can actually share your own view on feminism and make good money. They pay from between $100 to $2,000 per story. It's a great website. I told you earlier that as we go deep to number 10, we will get to the best websites that you can actually make money and smile to the bank. I hope I have given you some beautiful website that will actually put money in your pocket. If you're a good writer, if you can write very well, if you can sit down and put certain things, be patient enough to go through the requirements, and that way you will know what is required in this website, and the easiest one for you that you can actually upload your stories and sell. So please, you need to go through the 10 websites I've mentioned, and that way read through. Don't be patient, read through them. You will get the best one that suits your passion and start making money from it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that notification bell. It's very, very, very important, because this channel needs to be monetized. So subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you in our next video.